It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Broken glass everywhere, people pissing on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise, got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with a tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breezes blow. A crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of garbage pails, used to be a fag hag, such a dance to tango, skipped the life and dango, a zircon princess seemed to lost her senses. Down at the peep show, watching all the creeps, so she could tell her stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so diddy, she had to get a pimp, she couldn't make it on her own. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
My brother's doing bad, stole my mother's TV. Says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night. Can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a bum education, double-digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. Neon King Kong standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Broke my sacroiliac, a mid-range migraine, cancer membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going insane, I swear I might hijack a plane. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. My son said, Daddy, I don't want to go to school, cause the teacher's a jerk, he must think I'm a fool. And all the kids smoke reefer, I think it'd be cheaper if I just got a job, learn to be a street sweeper. I dance to the beat, shuffle my feet, wear a shirt and tie, and run with the creeps. Cause it's all about money, ain't a damn thing funny. You got to have a con in this land of milk and honey. They pushed that girl in front of the train, took her to the doctor, sewed her arm on the game. Stabbed that man right in his heart, gave him a transplant for a brand new start. I can't walk through the park cause it's crazy after dark. Keep my hand on my gun cause they got me on the run. I feel like an outlaw, broke my last glass jaw. Hear them say, you want some more? Living on a seesaw. Don't push me cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. You say what? It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
A child is born with no state of mind, blind to the ways of mankind. God is smiling on you, but he's frowning too, because only God knows what you'll go through. You'll grow in the ghetto, living second rate, and your eyes will sing a song of deep hate. The places you play and where you stay looks like one great big alleyway. You'll admire all the number book takers, thugs, pimps, and pushers, and the big money makers. Driving big cars, spending 20s and 10s, and you wanna grow up to be just like them. Smugglers, scramblers, burglars, gamblers, pickpocket peddlers, even panhandlers. You say I'm cool, I'm no fool, but then you wind up dropping out of high school. Now you're unemployed, all non-void, walking around like you're pretty boy.
Good evening, traders. Long time no see, or long time no talk, or whatever this is. Welcome to episode 117 of TA with me, Mitch Ray, where we currently now have 1,777 subs, man. Thank y'all so much for all the new subs today. We've got a lot of new faces, a lot of old. And Bitcoin, as you can see, the top left of your screen, kinda, you know, right below the ticker, the moon's out. Yes, it's a full moon. The moon and the Lambos. The thoughts, does it not feel like just days of old when everyone was screaming about the Lambos? Alright, whatever. All the Kappas in the world. But, alright, Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin broke the overhead resistance temporarily to come up, and people were talking about, hey, man, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Are we going to break to the upside, downside? It's like, I think just the lowest risk. We had it here. We plotted it and we explained the lowest risk that you could take in a situation with contradicting variables to the downside and upside. I think that you'd go with your guns and stick with the bear pole, bear flag, and the best area would be at the top trend line of the bear flag. That's the area to go short. We ran up, touched like the Jesus man, and so, you know, we hit to 66.44. Now we're at 65.51. Okay, so we adjusted our channel, touch point 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? You don't have any candle bodies above that, so hey man, swing out, swing low.
Year of our independence or number of subs on your channel?
Pretty much, man. Pretty freaking much, Dagger, man. Thanks so much for the 1776, man. It's the most patriotic contribution one could give. Unless it's someone tipped literally $1,776.69 or something. Okay. America. Alright. So yeah, man. I'm just going to continue on this drink. It was stout. It is stout. And I'm just continuing on. Alright. So just bear with me. I was live for 4 hours plus today for y'all to give you extreme coverage of the incredible Ripple break to the upside, where we become kings, where we became kings, and we're ending up attempting to run to be kings even more. Unbelievable. And we're going to go to it before Ethereum, because Ethereum's whatever, right? Nice pump. But hey, still within the parameters of the bear pole, bear flag. It was crazy, though. It was crazy. Wicked off the 200 MA as well. All right. Let's go to Ripple. Ripple is like $3 billion away. Yes, $3 billion away from usurping Ethereum's spot at number 2 on the cryptocurrency market cap. Unbelievable, y'all. Okay, man. Okay. Bull pull, bull flag, measure move, and then you had the descending broadening wedge measure move from the widest areas, from the bottom to top, from the breakout. That was at 45.5 cents. Hit it and ran higher. We got all the way up to, you know, overhead resistance. You can look left, horizontal line, right? Back from June and from July. Okay, we hit that, went a little bit higher, and that was it, man. That was the highest high we had seen at that point. So what are we doing right now? We're literally breaking out of a trend that extends back to February, and we're actually hooking off of it right now. You know, and we got 45 minutes left on this 4-hour candle, right? But to give you a little bit more perspective here for those who weren't able to partake in the extremely incredible, legendary day stream, that's some of the most fun I think I've ever had in a stream. My God, trying to cover all the chaos, the bullish, good, green chaos, man. I don't think I've ever had that much fun streaming, because I don't think we've ever had live that much activity that was positive, right? Normally I'm always covering crappy bear pole, bear flags breaking out. Pat Ying, thanks for the Ying YouTube sub, the Jesus person. Thanks so much. Pat is a gender neutral name, so we would call them the Jesus person for natural reasons. Pat, you know, like SNL wearing the fanny pack. Hey Pat, welcome. Okay, so what are you talking about? What's that downsloping resistance mine? Okay, February. Here you go. April, May, today. So pretty dramatic run up, and somehow, some way, still holding. Extremely overbought. Today we got up to 90 on the RSI on the 4 hour. That's insane, and my audio's so loud. I'm sorry. Holy crap. I just turned it down, man. I swear, man. One day I'll just pay someone to remotely be my DJ or something. Kappa. All right. So that's what's going on right now. We've broken out on extremely high levels of volume, and we're still outside of it somehow, some way. You know, we fell back in. We actually back tested and tested the 1618 fib extension. Crazy enough. So right now we're just in the middle of a spinning top. A lot of indecision going on after such a tremendous run. Got to be happy about this. Have to be happy. Little stat on the RSI when we were at 90. Highest levels of relative strength we've seen since December of 2017. Great FOMO levels. Unbelievable. Largest level of positive momentum we've seen since April. 420, man. Remember that day we talk about all the time where the altcoin spring when Ripple hit its highest high of that entire run? 420, man. We always joke about it. Always joked about it. For so many months, and now we can be kings. All right, no more jokes. No, we're definitely gonna keep throwing out jokes because I don't know, man. I'm kind of delirious. That 4-hour stream took it out of me. I cooked dinner, ate, food's digesting, was able to sit around for a couple minutes, collect my thoughts, and here I am again. All right, so just bear with me. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. All right. Let's go to Ethereum. Guess I'll move the alert down so we can party. When we hear, when we hear the beep, we'll be like, oh my God, we're going to be kings. All right. All right, man. So I know it seems like there's a rising wedge. There could be, but I think there's something more important going on. And this is just my opinion. Of course, it could be bad, right? But could be wrong, and failing trades are part and parcel, but I do think that there is a falling wedge pattern, a smaller, shorter term falling wedge. Touch point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breakout. Just broke out today, just hours ago. Fibbing the pattern from the swing high to swing low. The targets 339, 380. That's primary target, secondary target. And, of course, there's a chance we could also crap out at the 236 or 382, but you're not looking for that. I mean, of course we could. We could run up, hit this wedge, create the wedge, and then break down bearishly and make a measured move down here, and then we'd probably take another shot at it, okay, at these levels after a measured move or something, if that happened. But it's a breakout buy, but hey, man. You saw what Ripple did, right? In very short time frame. Very short time frame. So, all right, that's it, man. That's Ripple falling wedge. All right, but if you zoom out, clearly you can see nothing like Ripple, not breaking out of a well-established downtrend. Ethereum is not, right? Ripple is at this time. Okay, so it'd be nice to see us run all the way to the top trend line, right? This area of resistance, downside resistance, 75% trend line of our fib channel tool, where in May 5th we ran up 7 weeks, and then that was it. That was the top. We'll see if we can get there again and test it, and we'll be kings when we hit that. I'm gonna tell him. All right. So that's it. Okay, let's take a look at chat. Jeez, man. Thanks so much for the 179 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. I really appreciate each and every one of you because I know your time is valuable, all right? What's up, Jacob Schultz, man? Spider Ming, and if I didn't get to you in Discord, man, I'm so sorry. I have so many messages. Obviously, when there's this much craziness going on in the market, if I'm doing a 4-hour live stream with like 400 people trying to engage with chat, trying to do everything, it's very tough for me to communicate. And then when I have to get off stream and then eat and be a human being, and then come back and stream again, it's very tough for me to do anything, all right? And I actually even posted a trade setup live, okay? So, what's up, Christopher Harris, man? Power to Achieve. Rob N, Greg Morgan, Jack Brown, hello, man. Rylan Heller, oh yeah, they'll be okay with it, man. I I don't monetize. I'm never going to monetize. There's no point. Most people will monetize because they'll get millions of views, and that's how they get their source of income. And then others rely on that, like they need ad revenue. And guess what? Why would I ever monetize when it helps me, but it really hurts you because you have to sit through stupid ads, and it's like, might as well just go to cable, right? No thanks. VeChain listed on BitThumb. Okay, well, someone requests VeChain then. It's not on my quad screen right now. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out that quad screen while I'm looking through chat, okay? Bitcoin in the top right, very, very top right. Litecoin in the top right-ish. And then bottom right's Ripple, bottom left's Binance Coin, top left's Ethereum. All right. What's up, Koala? We're on a roll, that's right, man. What's up, Crypto Sourdough Kava? Yeah, thanks so much for Matt D. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon this evening. Really appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much, man. Joining the Patreon is just a way to pledge your support to what I do every day, the hard work I put in, 2 shows a day, 7 days a week. And you're getting trade setups, education. Okay, you're getting exclusive stuff in the Patreon with the amenities, but at the end of the day, it's to support what I do going live all the time for you, to provide you with free coin requests, stock requests, currency requests, whatever. Okay. What's up, Chris Irwin? Irwin Coffee Man, the real Stag Roach, Mr. Cool Dad E. What's up, Caroline? Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Oh, hello, Lolly Man. Missing a good football game? Yeah, dude. Foosball. I haven't even been able to think, man. Yeah. Okay. We'll look at the Tilray, man. All right. We looked at it earlier, and it was just nuts, man. Huge breakdown. Do fibs on XRP? I guess we could, assuming that's the swing high. We can do that, yeah. What's up, Nexus of Hate, man? Josh B, Ondi, the Twitch Jesus lady, welcome. Can the Browns win? Aren't they favored? I think Stuart said they were favored. So let me know. All right, dude, it was crazy. Rimlog, Micron sucked it up. They were up like 7.5% and then dropped like 10% when the conference call came on. And I think obviously anytime a conference call comes on, expect guidance to get reported. Lowered guidance most likely. That's what happened, dude. Yep, it happens, man. Micron, scrubby trend. In an uptrend, but still terrible. Can I chart Ethereum? No, Devin. Never am I going to ever chart Ethereum in a million years. What's up, John Miller? Quality Kings. Hey, Isaac O'Neill, thanks for the sub on YouTube, the Jizzman. Thanks, dude. Man. Struggle bus, man. Freaking struggle bus. What's up, Fearless One? Good to see you. Thanks, Andrew, man. Andrew P. Exposed, hello. What's up, Roman, man? Good to see you again, dude. Oh, the Jesus Man. Welcome, dude. Let's just play the Jesus challenge for the Jesus Man. Pause the music. Pay respects to everyone. And a Jesus Man. Alright? Thanks so much for being here, everyone. Alright? Kiki, if you're asking about the crazy volatility from yesterday.
Is that a joint?
Mitch, got myself a bottle of fine whiskey to celebrate all the bombs of knowledge that you dropped in my head. You the Jesus, my on Cappy Kangs. Is that a joint? To the moon in my Lambo trying to not spill my Irwin's coffee melange.
Marijuana's bad.
Hey, Proglatarf, man. Thanks for the $4.20 to Jesus, man. Thanks so much, man. Means a lot, dude. Alright. One day I'll get this thing fixed up. It's stupid. It's really stupid. The way I can't switch scenes and have this thing up and have my overlay on top of it because everything gets screwed up. In order to, it's too much to explain. I would have to like switch my overlay on Stream Elements, and that ruins everything. Resets like everything. Okay, so hey, it's Pat. That's right, Nexus, man. That's right, man. Good God, dude. Thanks, Nicholas S, man. I really do appreciate that. Thank you for the kind words and all your support, man. Okay. Nicholas S made some good gains on XRP today. Congratulations, man. Me and many others also made great gains on Repel today. All right. Oh yeah, if we go to the 60-minute on oh, you talking about Ripple, man? Nice. That's awesome, dude. Laura was saying that break hook and go is a very, very real possibility on Ripple, I believe, unless I'm completely mistaken. In that case, my bad. I'm just behind on chat. Okay. Sub Crypto Conrad for the motherland. Yeah, remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying Ripple being Kangs, do it, man. Just do it. What's up, Chaylin, man? Gosh dang it, I didn't even have time to implement the final version of the Ethereum emoji, man. Gosh. Hey, Injury 6000. Can we look at Dashman? Yeah, I can put it on the list. All right. Man, I'm struggling. Rob B, man, dude, thanks, brother, man.
Rob B tipped $21. If one wanted to move their stop up on XRP, what would be a good place, say you? Lollipop, lollipop, ooh lolly, lollipop, ba dum bum bum.
Hey, Rob B, thanks for the 21. If you notice in the jar, you can see the new Ethereum emoji ball. It's like a transformer, and then it will spell out ETH, and then go back to become KANGZZZ, the Ethereum logo. Wonderful, Chaylin. Wonderful. I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with doing it right under the one. If they wanted to, could put it under the 1618 if you were really concerned about it. Just because look at just all the support here. You fall below that, man, you could be in a lot of trouble, and it gives you a little bit of wiggle room to downslope. So, I mean, just look left, man. Look left. What was once resistance would then become support, and one could just have their stop below the support. It will now become support, all right? So, but yeah, Lalo was saying break hook and go. Ooh, flagging? What? Is this really flagging? My God, man. My God. It just really depends on how much gains you have. I mean, it just depends on how much you're willing to lose at this point if you're in the green, man. That's it. Like, there's no reason, like, beyond this support, if you fall below this, you could easily just tank all the way down to, like, 35 cents. Easy if you wanted to. If you fell below this range now. We're back up into this territory, this chop, this consolidation, okay? So what was once resistance is support, and anything, I think, right below the 1618, between the 1414 would be fine, okay, if you got in on this, all right? I don't think there's anything wrong with that. All right, man. Sweet. Sweet stuff, dude. Hey, Rob B, man. Thanks for 21. Just, you got to be careful, because if you fall below the 1618, there's a very good chance you could run all the way down back to 35 cents. Okay. That's how it works. Support resistance, man. What was that? Oh, we're just looking through chat. I guess we can just go to Tilray real quick. Okay, here's on the 4 hour. Retrace wise, man. This point pretty clear. Where we got our swing high. Where's the swing low though, man? Where's the actual swing low? Like, you can see something here, but would you consider that the swing low, man? I guess we used it as a swing low before, right? I don't think that's a major swing low. I don't even really see a major swing low. I see, you know what a major swing low is? This is a major swing low to swing high. So we've retraced 50% of the way right now. Common retraces in bull trends between the 618 and the 382. Alright. If you don't hold the 618, you're coming on down to 79.48, which is 786. Okay? If you don't hold that, you're coming on down to the 886. To say where we would bottom at, I don't know. This is extreme volatility. I don't know. Okay?
Thanks, my dude. I got in very early and don't want to lose those gains. Not sure why my fat fingers decided to change my last initial.
Fat fingers decided to do something, do things. Hey, Rob in, man. Thanks for the 15. Wait, you were just Rob B, man. Are you the same person? What's going on, man? Identity crisis, man. Or have you stolen someone's identity? Let us know. Man, we gotta do something. Chat, can we get some, I don't know. We need an idea for like a $15 emoji, alright? For the jar. Because it's like, we keep making progress and then we get a tip and then it's like, it's the old default emoji. And it's like, what would be recognizable that everyone would like know and see, right? A cryptocurrency or a meme. I don't know. Chat, let's get some suggestions, please. Just throw it out there, all right? So we can contemplate and think, because this show is, you know, it's all about y'all, all right? Thanks. So MK, man, just for perspective, there is no major swing low besides this low. Like, you just kept on going up. So I'm just using the entirety of this whole chart. And clearly 50% retrace, 61%, 786. So if you fib it like that, man, you would just, their areas 618, that's your last common area at 126. Then you can run on all the way, you go from 126 to 786, which is $79. That's a huge drop, man. You just gotta be careful on this kind of stuff. This is crazy, dude. Trying to, like, after such a huge breakdown with extremely high levels of volume, right? The highest level of volume we saw. I mean, that makes sense with all the volatility, but high volume on a sell-off today. Chances are we'll just fill that gap for real with a candle body close. Okay, so I don't know, man. It's crazy. There are multiple fib areas, but they're very far apart because this thing has gone up so fast. It's very speculative. We don't know. It's just like crypto. Crypto drops. Remember all the crap before the Great FOMO when they were having their runs? They would retrace like 88% of the way. 88% of the way before they'd break to the upside again and go like to the moon. You just gotta watch your fibs. You have to keep your eye on the fibs, man. Okay. Okay, let's go to a Dash. Someone was requesting it. Alright. Oh, that's not Dash. Okay, man. Pivoted off the bottom of the wedge. What are you talking about, Ray? I'm talking about this wedge, man. This wedge. This wedge that is deep within. Well, I mean, we're starting to try to get out of it, right? Huge downtrend. Extends all the way back to December of 2017. We are getting pretty close to the top trend line of this huge, beautiful downsloping channel. All right. So I don't know, man. You're forming a wedge. I mean, it's very clear. 1 and 2 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. 2 converging upsloping trend lines. Very clear. It's upsloping price contraction, which is a form of consolidation, but unfortunately in this context it's bearish. And you had bearish divergence, but then broke to the upside, probably because the market volume picked up a little bit. Still pretty mediocre. You see what I'm saying? You're now not really getting the bearish divergence in the short term, but you're still getting it right here. But again, this is your second positive histogram wick, right? So could continue building, especially the market holds up, Bitcoin holds up. And I mean, look, a lot of these alts have had the ability and freedom to run because Bitcoin's volatility, we're talking like huge breaks to the upside, downside. It's been pretty minimal. We've had lateral movement ups and downs, and you've seen some of the coins, a lot of the coins have those large wicks too with that, but for the most part, Bitcoin's still in a consolidation pattern despite anything you think about what happened yesterday, still within it. Despite what we believe just happened, where we ran all the way up to the top of the flag at like 66.70 or whatever, still in a consolidation phase. So Bitcoin's lack of volatility gives the alts freedom to run. So this thing's moving on up, and a lot of others are. This is not the only one, and they're like EOS broke out of its respected down sloping channel that goes back many months. Okay, so there's your dash, man. Whoever asked about it, great. Whew. I'm telling you, I am energy deprived. I'm trying though. I'm working. All right, I'm doing this, man. I'm doing this thing. Cheers, MK, man. What's up, Voltaire? Everyone's asking about XRP. We're looking at XRP. We looked at it. Like, we did it, man. How about an emoji ball of a picture of my face? I don't know, man. It seems like too easy, right? It's like there's no work that needs to be put into it besides making it a PNG, right? That's it. And then at that point, who cares? Well, I want to keep it kind of uniform and a little bit, right? You see the marijuana emoji ball. It's a pot leaf, yeah, but it like merges to like a stock, like Tesla, okay? Because of Elon, it's a meme in this culture here, right? We built that, and so we're just trying to keep it kind of uniform in that regard. Use the old Ripple logo. The fidget spinner. That's why they changed their logo. They're like, everyone just thinks we're a fidget spinner company. Hey, Ripple. How's your revenue report on your fidget spinners? Oh, well, we're down for the quarter. Oh, okay. You're not a global banking solution? Nah. BitConnect logo. Oh, there you go. That could be good. Oh, nice one. A giant turd. Or how about Turv? Turv's logo, right? An emoji ball of the moon. Bitcoin Diamond. What's a Bitcoin Diamond's logo look like? Bitcoin Diamond logo. Interesting. Very interesting. I kind of like the logo. Not gonna lie. Chat? Thoughts? Can we look at Dash? Never. Sager Dave. Never are we ever in a million years gonna look at Dash. Okay. They dashed out of money. Yeah, man. They're like running out of money for sure, dude. Alright. One sec. Quantum update. It's literally not doing anything. Nothing. It's kind of bottoming, but not really. Okay. No, I don't. I get copyright strike. It's not a strike. It's like I am not eligible for monetization on my videos because I play copyright music. That's all that happens. Nothing else happens ever. It just means I can't ever in a million years ever monetize this. I don't care or want this to be monetized. I don't want anyone to ever have to see ads when they watch my stuff. Stupid, man. Okay. That's pretty good. The Bitcoin Diamond's a pretty decent idea. But I gotta see what chat says, alright? Oh my god, Tony Miyagi, dude. Mr. Miyagi? Oh yes, Mr. Miyagi, man. Welcome, dude. Thanks so much for the 244 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank you all so much for being here, right? Yeah, the problem with Neo for the jars is like it's a square. It just looks like a scrub desk. Like, I don't know, man. The logo has to be pretty cool and innovative. All right, Long Range Crypto, you want GVT? All right. Tron Connect. Well, we have Tron Connect already for a $3.33 contribution. All right. Alabama token. Well, if you tip 23 or 59, right, 23 or 59, there is a special emoji that's a graphic, right? So, mirror ball. What's a mirror ball? Vic at night, dude. I don't understand, man. Sure, Long Range Crypto. You keep it positive, man. You keep it positive. I'll keep it positive. You do, man. Yeah, Cardano. Yes. Well, interesting though. Maybe making Cardano the actual emoji ball because it's blue. Huh. I don't know why I didn't think about that. That's a pretty good idea. Okay. Well, lolly then. Moon time. Would not be a valuable diamond in the real world. Yeah, no, I know. It'd be for the memes, man. You totally. How about an Irukandi jellyfish that glows? That sounds very scary, Crypto Tiger, man. Very, very scary, dude. All right. Didn't we just look at Dash? Yeah, we did. But you know how it is, man. You know how it is. All the Beanie Babies in the world are asked, being requested tonight, man. It's getting like no dollar back. Well, interesting though. Wow. Huh. It kind of reminds me of Bitcoin a little bit. MC out of the US dollar, man. What's up, Hebel Installer, dude? Thanks for being here. Johnny Crypto. Thanks, dude. I really do appreciate the kind words, man. All right. ZRX is trying to make a run. Pat McLaughlin. Hopefully, we looked at it as an extremely bearish trend. And yeah, it pivoted off the bottom of that little channel. Yeah, you hate ads, exactly. So I think y'all would thank me for playing. So that's the thing. It's like a double whammy. It's like, first off, you don't get ads, and you get high quality music instead of crappy generic scrub music or literally no music at all. Okay. Interstate 15 emoji ball, or an inspiration from it. Oh yeah, man. We're on the highway to crypto moon time, man. Can we take the highway 15 to the moon, man? Let me know. Alright, GB, well I hope you didn't get flooded too bad up there in North Carolina, dude. Alright, hope you're well. Okay, so
is that a joint?
You know what's delicious on pizza crust? Nutella.
What? Sounds cool if I want to be sober and vomit, alright? Hey, Rimlog, Nutella, Goonie Man. The Goonie Man. Think of the 420 man, the Jizz Man. Thank you, dude. A bow to your sensei coin? How would that even work, dude? How would that even work?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Yeah, Bitcoin Diamond does not fit the channel history. I know, it doesn't. We don't even really look at it. Yeah, that much. The Warhammer, Cobra Kai. God, these are pretty good ideas. We got a lot of good ideas. Alright, and people are saying Cardano, like a lot of people are saying Cardano. Sorry, scrolling through all this chat. Okay, I'm getting to it for y'all. Alright.
Is that a joint?
Anonymous tip $24.20.
Hey, Dan Melissa, thanks for the $24.20, the Jesus couple from Iowa. It seems like things are okay. You said there was a tornado warning up there and you had to like get out of here in the day stream. Are you fine? What happened, dude? And it was probably the anti-bridge commission, since y'all evidently there's construction up there that Melissa saw, right? So thank you so much for the 2420. Appreciate y'all time and time again for the ongoing support. It means everything. Okay, Irwin Coffee logo for 15 bucks. Okay, that's a pretty good idea. I kind of like that, and I like Irwin Coffee's logo. You want to see the logo? Oh my god, I can't believe he's doing this, man. He's like peddling this company, man. This coffee company, this value member to this community, and it's really good coffee. Look, this is the logo. That's a pretty freaking cool logo. I bet Shaylin could make this nuts, dude. You see this atom? We might. Ladies and gentlemen, type 1 in chat if you like it, 2 if you don't. 4 maybe possibly an emoji ball. Okay, 1 for yes, 2 for no. Let us know, alright? It doesn't cost you anything, it just would be a thing or not, alright? So I'm putting it on the spot. We'll see. See what chat has to say about it, alright? Okay, sweet. Awesome. Pumping this brand clearly, man. I can't believe it. I'm out of here. It's like, yeah, coffee's coffee. There's nothing wrong with coffee. Oh my god, we have all these 8s now. Oh my god. Okay, Chaylin, get to work. Plus, it's like, it's not, I'm not saying it is Cardano, but it's got a Cardano vibe to it anyway. And we can make it like, we can make it that like teal color. Chaylin, man. Alright. Have it light up like the moon. Oh, dude, it's gonna be nuts, dude. Chaylin's gonna go crazy on this thing, okay? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Not yet. Oh, it looks like the 8s have it. Sorry, Chaylin. I was thinking. Okay. Anyway. Alright, man. Nice little breakout on ADA to BTC. 1272, bullish divergence. Hey, last time we were talking about this, man, we really liked the double bottom. Remember the double bottom? Not really, you know, a high or low, I get it, but it was just really like an ascending broadening wedge. Let's go to the daily. So this is what was going on. This is what we saw going on ADA, and it's still pumping. All right, on the daily. Oh, what just happened? Dude, I should have reset my PC. Dude, it's not like I have a ghetto PC. Like triple MACD bullish divergence, despite anything you believe. We were looking at this. We hit the 1272 multiple times, 3 touch points on the daily. A bullish engulfing candle on the daily, 1272. And since then, it's been multiple days of green, breaking above the 20-day moving average. Wonderful. But I'll tell you this. Your swing highs here. This is your major swing high. This is where you would fib from a swing high to swing low. But, do you not remember what else we talked about, chat? Literally like yesterday, falling wedge. Breaking out of the falling wedge literally like right now. Yes. Bradford. Okay, man. Do you see this, man? Okay. Jeez, man. Alright, let's get rid of the fib extensions real quick, or just our other fibs that we don't need, okay? They served us quite well. Incredible 1272 pivot. But, you know, whatever. Very well established pattern that stems back to late April. Breaking out, like, literally today. If it all played out, seriously, if it was completely respected, if we were going to be Kangs, your target, primary target 2584, secondary target 2559. That's what's literally happening right now. If, look, you know, volume pretty high up here, but nothing extreme. Nice spike in positive momentum, bullish convergence. Nice spike in RSI, 50, neutral. Something to think about. Something to definitely think about here, okay? Alright, awesome, dude. Fantastic. So we're just gonna sit here for a second and just gaze at all its glory. This pattern that is pretty hot. Pretty freaking hot, okay? What's up, Emmy? Good to see you. Always good to see you. I hope you fared well in the storm, right? North Carolina. I'm sure it was pretty bad. A lot of flooding, okay? Yeah, Prodigal Tarth, he is in Discord, okay? He is, yes. Oh, God. Trying to stick with this. I can't... How have I been live for like 52 minutes? Or something, okay? What's wrong with Bulgers? Get wrecked, Joel. Get wrecked. You must be new, Kappa, alright? But the thing is, like, you know, if we're talking about certain coins, like, some people have heard about it, but, like, a lot of people have not, like, you know, so we're just trying to use, like, they're either, like, meme coins or, like, well-established coins that we all know about, or things that have stuff to do within the parameters of our community that we've been building for 7 months now. I mean, this live chat did not come overnight, all right? It did not. So we've been it's just been organically growing over time, and we have inside jokes and memes. Benito coin, but unfortunately BCN coin has the most pathetic looking logo you could ever see. Yeah, if you're listening, BCN developers, get a new logo, please. Thanks. This is a coffee pump channel. He knew it. Have I sold my soul? I sold my soul to the devil. Sumatran roasted gold. No, I mean I had the Sumatran beans, but dude, I got that melange. I got like 7 different blends of coffee in one. It's just nuts, man. Freaky being so close to tornado. I bet, Melissa. It sounds insane. Joshua says FOMO-sexuals. There were plenty of FOMO-sexuals in here today. I couldn't believe it, man. We were like at where we are now, and people were like, should I buy? It's like, should you buy? Where were you yesterday or 3 days ago? So Crypto Dave, man. I'm just trying to get through all this, right? Need absentee ballots for Twitch? Yeah, okay. All in, man. Okay, man. It's happening, Classified. What's happening, dude? It is a vague pronoun, and I know you're doing it. I know you're doing it. I'm triggered. I'm triggered. About gas, Anil? Do you have gas, Anil? Do you own gas? Is it in your pants? Alright, man. So we had a beautiful downsloping channel, right? But we deleted it so you could see the fractal. We're going to move on. Knock this one out before we head on over to our local on the 8th, alright? Oh, interesting. Alright. Yeah, let's go to GVT. Speaking of wedges. You want to talk about, hey, what's up? Print out a wedge. This is definitely, we're going to have the crypto awards in December. Okay, I'm literally going to have a tuxedo. Or no, yes, a tuxedo. I might figure out some sort of green screen or something stupid. Okay, and we're going to have the biggest letdown of 2018, the most hyped meme coin of 2018, the best looking daily falling wedge of 2018. Guess who's going to be up for the award? GVT. Okay, my God. So, whatever, man. We broke out. We had multiple areas of support. We found support. Look left. There it is. December 25th, Christmas Day, Santa Claus gave us a gift on August 15th, alright? Since then, we've broken out, and we formed, I think we have an ascending broadening wedge going on, no big deal. We know our targets for GVT, man. This is a trade setup that's ongoing. This is a live trade setup, been going on, my God, for like Over a month now? Are you kidding me? Over a month? Swing trading. Get over it. All right. Well, you think about it like this. If you have a pattern that develops over the course of, March 30th, depending on where you plotted, look, you could probably do this too, right? People would be like, okay, man, more touch points. We're more Kangs here. All right. More Kangs, whatever. So either way, March 30th or all-time highs, March 8th, March 9th. March 9th, and you broke out August 15th, 20th, whatever. That's most of the year, okay? That is how you figure out and determine how long it might take you to hit targets. What targets? We're talking about the 50% retrace in the 618, okay? We're talking 24,329 sats. We're talking 28,689 sats. That is our primary and secondary target up here. Yeah. It's that crazy. That's how it works. All right. That's it, man. So we're just continuing floating on up, and we're just waiting now. We're just waiting for our targets to hit. All right, man. So, break the upside, 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. You just had a flag. You broke out of it, but showing some pretty nasty levels of bearish divergence. It's pretty real, right? There it is. And you're showing on the RSI too. It kind of sucks, right? But you're breaking down now. You are breaking down. You've begun to pull back as expected with what the oscillators have told us you would do. You also made a higher high with lower levels of volume. It's also bad. It's also something you don't want to see. Okay. So yeah, a breakdown, but you're holding above the 20 right now. You got a long way you could fall. You could make a higher low. Just keep on floating on up. It could take another month or two before we hit target. Yeah, it could take a long time to get there, man. So you got to be patient on some of these trades, all right? That's how it works. That's swing trading. Okay. Well, just in time, it is time for your local on the 8s. Sweet, man. Let's go to Bitcoin. All right, 4-hour candle body closing in less than 2 minutes. Closed but no cigar. Well, looks like we might be closing above the overhead resistance. That's nice. Yeah, 58 seconds. So we're just going to wait a second, alright? Crazy how we had elevated levels of volume, alright? So. Israel wants VeChain. Of course. Who doesn't want VeChain? Doing things. You hear me, Israel man?
VeChain doing things.
Yes, we can look at gas too, Anil, okay? Remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. We've been live for an hour, alright? And then 4 hours earlier, 4-hour marathon stream into a follow-up stream tonight. What's up, Crypto SB man? Good to see you. Why don't I play Pure Nego in my bed anymore? It's a good song. Was it too sexual? No, it wasn't too sexual, man. We're just not hanging by a thread anymore. Bad moon boy!
VeChain doing things.
That moon boy tipped $25. Something is cooking. I think we about to be doing things.
We gonna be doing things, man. We gonna be doing things. Hey, we'll look at Vet after the local on the 8s, alright, man? We'll just move that on up, alright? We'll do it, man. We'll do it. Okay, so closed above that overhead resistance of 65.50. Closed above the 886 from a swing high to swing low. So there you are, continuing to build positive momentum. Very hot on the RSI, looking great. You're sitting at 67, pristine. But it's just interesting, man, how we ran up and just wicked off, gave complete validity to this upsloping resistance. That's great, man. That's really good. Okay. Stream sniped. But overall, just remember, Bear pole, bear flag. Until you break to the upside of this upsloping trend line on volume, man, you have to stick with your guns and low risk short areas and breaks to the downside. Okay. That's it. I mean, dude, you're not even threatening. You're not even coming close to threatening this swing high up here, this major swing high. Okay, and do we even need to talk about it? We'll fib it real quick so you just can, we can just, it's appropriate to fib again up here. All right. Okay, think about it like this. If we know our common retrace from with an impulse down, swing high to swing low, we know our common retrace area is between the 382 and the 618, and we just wicked off and rejected the 382. How is this bullish right now? How? We know we could be complete scrubs until we break the 618. That's 69.21. We could run up all the way to there, and it wouldn't be that weird. Okay, same thing that happened here from your 8,500 to your 58 something, right? We ran up, almost hit the 618. Where we topped out was between the 50% and the 618 at your common areas. This is how we knew. While everyone was saying, "Oh, dude, man, nah, man, we're going up. We're going to 10K. We're going to 20K. Whatever, man. Look at it, dude. Dude, we're Kangs." It's like, clearly you don't understand fibs. You don't really care to understand because you just keep on saying that. And it's like, listen. Same thing here. We're at the 382. We haven't even breached the 382. We have not even gotten into the common retrace area from the bear pole, bear flag. Okay. So until we do that, you can't be bullish. That's it. But go ahead and be bullish because feelings, all right? That's most of the time how people, you know, come to their conclusions on the chart, all right? So, anyway. Let's go to Ripple. Yes, Ripple before Ethereum. Oh, yeah. And that's going to be a thing for a while, all right? Ripple's earned it. Are you kidding me? They earned it. Wow. Nice 4-hour close, man. Nice freaking 4-hour close of the break and go confirmation on the breakout of the channel that extends back to February. Gotta be extremely pleased. I know I am. I know the patrons are, right? I don't know many others are, right? So that's great, man. A wonderful move to the upside. Slanted inverse head and shoulders would tip me off, and then others saw a descending broadening wedge, whatever, bullish patterns. It's really cool about, that's the cool thing about charting. Okay, you can both be right. People can see different patterns, and they can both be correct. My pattern was just a little bit smaller than the descending broadening wedge. So, all right, man. Very significant development. Again, as we discussed, the largest spike of volume we've seen truly since, for the Binance chart, ever. But there's more data on other charts. I understand that. Hello, Ryan Sedgwick. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, the Jesus Man. Really do appreciate that. Okay, give me like 2 seconds. Alright, so, hey man, that's what happens. Critical area of support. We could not hold here. Huge breakdown as expected. Got exhausted. Bullish divergence. Broke to the upside. Descending triangle. Breakdown. More bullish divergence. Then we formed that pattern. That inverse head and shoulders. Hit target. Boom. See ya. Too easy, man. Too nice. So if we sit in awe of XRP and all its bullish glory these past few days, it's breathtaking. Okay, it's beautiful. It makes me just want to play romantic music, alright, man? What more do you want? We have an alert set up. If we're going to be Kangs, we'll hear it, okay? The Kangs chimes. Okay. Ripple, I believe, just for the sake of wedges, I believe we just woke up, broke out of a falling wedge, okay? And unfortunately, you're right. It looks like you're making Class B bearish divergence pretty freaking bad. Okay, but this could continue building. But either way, you're most likely going to be making it. No matter you start making higher highs, all of a sudden you're going to be showing bearish divergence with this little wedge. So we could break down, but eventually the target of a breakout of this, if we can stay outside of this pattern, would be at 339. Between 300 and 380. Okay, is where we'd be looking if we could sustain prices out of this pattern. All right, so that's it. And then, of course, zooming out, you can clearly see just extremely bearish conditions the entire year of 2018. Okay, great. Very cool. That's it. That's the big three. In the right order. Oh, Ethereum people triggered. Sub Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. That's right, Riley. Princess Riley. V-Chan doing things, indeed. Thanks, Amy. Yeah, I guess so, Sharuba. If you want to say it like that, sure. I'm just getting through chat, okay? Just keep it cool. I'm 5 hours and 7 minutes into streaming today, alright? Plus, I'm over that. I don't even know anymore, okay? Tell them, will ya? Yeah, man. Yeah. Subs are minting. Oh, yeah, I mean, you know, they're getting there. They're getting there, man. One day at a time, alright? One day at a time. What's up, BG, man? Ethereum's a scrub. Uh-oh. Shots fired. Shots fired. Mr. Node, you say Linda Coin. What about Yanny Coin? Let's go to V-Chain doing things, alright.
V-Chain doing things.
Indeed it is. Pivoted off of the bottom of the channel flag, whatever. Nice. Positive momentum building. Volume's okay. It's not extremely nice. It's good though. Testing the heart line of the channel, touch point 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and a billion up here. Okay, so it's very real. I do think that we did break out. We did break out of a downsloping channel. Touch point 1 up there and 2 here. And here we are, we're out, and nice big bullish engulfing candle. 1, 2, 3. Hey, maybe if we get one more of those, that's about the same equal length. Maybe we'll get that 3 white soldiers. Well, you know, it's not a reversal. I guess we were already ascending up, so never mind. Hey, Hunter Hall, thanks for the sub on YouTube. I knew a Hunter Hall from college, I believe. So, what's up, man? Cool. Anyway, from a swing high to swing low, we hit the 886. So we're well past the common areas of retrace before breaking down at lower prices, which is good. But we do understand that we're hitting the heart line of the channel, using it as resistance. We could break that. You know, you're gonna have. Well, we already wicked off the 886, which is 1.44 cents.
Bow to your sensei.
Bite talent pure and tip $25. Flip this. Middle finger.
The flippening, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's look at it real quick. Let's look at the give me a sec. I'm getting better and better at this, right? Okay, so we got our browser up. CoinMarketCap, 213 billion right now. Man, in a few days, we've gained like 17 to 18 billion. Okay. What's up, Xavier Ria? Wow, we are very close. Ethereum's sitting at 22.7 billion, and XRP is at 18.147 billion. All right, so getting there, man. Getting there. XRP has another pump like this, man. It's over. One more. All we need is one more legendary double up, and we're good. Okay, all in, dude. All in. Okay, man. Great. That's it. That's all we're gonna do for CoinMarketCap. All right, just to look at that, because it's fun. Okay. All right, man. So something we can think about. If we are to be Kangs, okay, if we're truly gonna be Kangs, we have not even hit 382 yet, from a swing high to swing low. Okay. 382, 1.477 cents, probably going to be resistance. If you can break that, you'll have that upsloping resistance to the channel. If you can somehow muster the volume and momentum and strength to break above the 200 MA and that channel trend line, 50% retrace, 1.575 cents. Common retrace, remember, from major swing high to major swing low, the common retrace zone is here, right? And we know that. That's it. That is your common retrace zone. Expect a reversal to the downside within this parameter, right? That's it. Dang it, man. I don't know why this keeps popping up. It's okay. It's not that great, man. What's up, Julia? Welcome, the Jesus Lady in the house. Thanks for being here. It's beginning to do things. Exactly, Seth, man. Well, let's do it, man. Let's get this thing up. Alright. Nia's just getting wrecked. Is that true, Mr. Note It All? Crazy, man. Is that the real Vitalik? Of course, man. Of course. No one's ever gonna fake a name. Who would do that on the internet? On the interwebs, man. What crypto sourdough? Hunter all who? What? Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to get through some chat, alright? I'm trying to keep it engaged and trying to keep myself from going crazy because I've been live for 5 hours plus today, alright? I don't know, the day stream was literally just insane, okay? It was having to cover like all the coins at the same time and try to engage with chat. And then people were like, this guy never engages with chat. I can't believe it. It's like, oh my god. Whew. Okay. That's all we can tell you. We're looking at retraces, common retraces. We ran up and almost hit the 382. We actually missed it. We didn't hit it. We got close enough, then broke down. But hey, pivoted, higher low. Let's see where we go. Alright, we first need to make a higher high than 1.445 cents. And that's what we whipped off of. Gotta break above that. If you don't break above that, you may not ever hit the 382, okay, man? Which is just slightly above it. Okay, whatever. DRX. Same type of stuff, right? Pivoting off the bottom of these flags, channels, whatever. Great pivot. Breaking with a heart line, the channel. But I know we were... Let's see here. How did we have this before? What's up, Amina Bear? Thanks for tuning in. Alright, alright. I think we had it like... Shoot, man. I'm trying to remember. We actually had it some way... I mean, it looks fine, but, you know, heartline respect here. I think you got heartline respect here. Heartline respect, not so much here. Okay, and then you're breaking it now. So, it's just downsloping channel. You know, we had the rising wedge, breakdown, measured move. Ascending broadening wedge, breakdown, measured move. And then you have this flag, whatever. It's pretty large to be a flag. It's the impulse isn't like straight. Look, this is a huge impulse. This is just like a downtrend, and you're uptrending now. Positive momentum's building, but soon enough, ZRX is gonna be making bearish efforts. So if you look at the highs here, really nice spike and peak and positive momentum. And of course this could keep building and we could completely disregard the bearish divergence. I know that. But for now, as it stands, you're starting to show those levels of bearish divergence on the MACD. Great spike in volume though. Wow, that's awesome. So it gave us a nice pop to the upside to get through that hard line maybe. And from a swing high up here, now we're looking for larger retraces, right? We hit the 382, the first common area, the first common retrace area, double topped and then broke down, but pivoted, making higher lows, and now we're about to test it again, man. 91.37 is a target, as well as the 89.82, because that's your previous high, right? That's going to be resistance, just like we looked at from the whichever one we just looked at. Okay, it's like you've got, yeah, there's a V chain. You got the overhead resistance, and then right after that 382. So lots of resistance here. Not going to be easy to break that, especially when your positive momentum is lower than your previous level. But it's not topping out. It's just continuing to build every time, so it could just keep going. All right, so here's your range. Your range before you pull back, before you maybe reverse your price action to the downside. Okay, there it is. So you could probably, it'd probably be guess we can make the little adjustment. Okay, just include the little crappy chop, right? 1 and 2. So heart line 382, 50%, and then right here we've got the other resistance at 98.28, which stems back to June. Remember this huge swing low. All right, so a lot of resistance in a lot of areas we could reverse our price action. Okay, and again, once this is like that's your area we could run to, but and we're going to keep watching each node. Okay, that's it. Whew, man, I'm tired. I'm like really tired. I didn't have coffee tonight. I did not. I couldn't, man. I couldn't with like already drinking like whiskey and stuff. Just, dude. Hold on a sec. Let me change the music up. All right. Hello, is anyone there? Anyone at all, man? I think so. Okay. Exit. That's so weird. Let's go to gas. Okay, gas is, you know, very, very beautiful downtrend. Oh my god, you gotta love it, how respected it is, how nice it looks. Okay, it's just been pain and misery. We had multiple falling wedge successful trades on this, and you didn't have much time to sell because these, like right here, this was a wedge. It like broke the other side, hit the 50%, 618, and then crapped out. Never saw those prices again. So anyway, impulse down, nice little channel up, and then you broke out. You broke out bearishly. Okay. And we have our fibs. We never, hold on. Swing low to swing high. We have bounced off the 786 a couple times now, it seems, but we're not making higher highs. We're making the lowest lows of the entire correction. The correction that stems back to, oh my god, man, May 3rd. We're making the lowest lows of the entire correction. You hear me? That's like not good. But, you know, very, very nice levels of bullish divergence. Only on the MACD, not on the RSI, okay. But, you know, maybe people could make the argument that we did break out or something. I don't know, I think we tried this. It just... Yeah, you can see maybe that we had something like that and we're out of it now. But we're not really making higher highs, though. We're not making higher highs at all. If anything, we could fib it from a minor swing high to a minor swing low. Okay. So we're at the 50% retrace right now. From swing on to swing low. That's a common retrace. It's not good, man. It doesn't look that great. One, two, three, four, whatever. So you just got an upsloping little channel, which could be a flag. Okay, impulse down, running up, making lower highs than your previous highs. Okay. So there's a lot of these coins that are doing pretty well, having breakouts, but then there's many others that aren't doing really anything that special at all. One thing you could be happy about is we're making higher lows than our previous lows. It's good, man. That's really good. So the resistance to break 900 sats. You got to break that, hold above it. Then you're going to have that down sloping resistance, which will be very, very difficult to break, which is also around that 900 sat area. It's just a moving target, okay, wherever we go. So need to see some volume, but just a well-established downtrend. On this Binance history, lowest low of all time. I mean, like this low. So very, very bearish right now. But getting close to the end, right? As we've seen with others, they got so close to the end, and then they broke to the upside. Alright, hope that helps. Wow, my eyes are heavy, man. Super duper heavy. Hour and 22 minutes. We've been live. Thanks so much for the 242 people still tuned in, alright? I know you could be doing anything, but you're choosing to hang out with me and do technical analysis. For that, I'm grateful. Thank y'all. Are people complaining that I'm not engaging with chat? Like what? I could just do an IRL stream where I just don't do charts and hang out and engage with everyone the entire show. But no one would want that. Like we'd have a revolt. Okay, so that just stems to the point I can't please everybody. All right. Thanks, Mr. Noted All Man. Your name's funny. Okay. What's up, Burticus74, man? Good day to you, okay? Can't believe you remember me from college, dude. Yeah, right, man. That's when it's like, insert, hey, man, could you lend me a lot of money, dude? Dude, you remember me, man. We're cool. Okay, I'm scrolling through, alright. Do all 1,800 coins right now? What's taking you so long, man? Oh my god. Julia, no kappas about it, you mean, right? Kappa, but no kappa. I am sliced bread. Yeah, at this point I am. Yes. I am. Nap time? Yeah. XRP bearing, man. I broke my promise of not drinking before Friday, dude. Disappointed, but still happy that I did. Whatever, man. Friday's in like... Dude, I haven't even drank an entire drink, okay? I drank, okay, literally, this thing's filled up. But I drank a quarter of it during the stream today, and I drank a quarter of it tonight. Okay, I still have half this drink left, and I don't know how I'm going to do it, man. I'm like dead, alright? So I'm like literally don't even feel the effects of this alcohol. All it's done is just made me like tired. Anthony says, it's 5:20 a.m. in Portugal. Great coffee. Heck yeah, man. I wonder if Chris Irwin's ever gotten his hands on any. What? Don't even talk about it, man. It's like because people complained about it that one time, we're now making a meme out of it, and it's going to be an emoji ball, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. Okay. I'm getting through this, alright. Just give me a sec, okay. Chevron has good gas. Do they, Joel? Are you certain? Have you tasted it? Because, you know, that's how you know if it's good gas, according to Trailer Park Boys, alright? If it tastes bitter, it's diesel or something. I don't know. Do drunken XRP. Do it now or you unsub. Okay. Only 35 minutes, hang in there. Okay, so y'all want me to go the entire 2 hours? Oh, man. I created that shift, okay? A 2-hour shift. Most people only do like 1 hour a day, and they don't even do 7 days a week, right? Truman Show? Farrell, really? Do some predictions. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not too bad. Brad. Not too bad. Who the heck is asking for money? I just couldn't believe you said you remember me from college. No, I was just kidding. I was kidding, man. Like, because I don't believe it's you from college, okay? I don't believe it's you, man. Holy crap, we are 6 subs away from 1,800. Are you kidding me, dude? Wow. Sampo Step. Thanks, Sampo Step, for the sub on YouTube. The Jizzman. Thanks, dude. Coconut or blueberry milkshake. Yeah, dude. If I want to be literally on the floor, yeah, it'll be like Drunken Viking night all over again, man. Oh my god. I don't know, man. I'm just like out of gas. What? We're looking at gas? He said gas? Do it, TA Robot? Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, remember, look, we got 241 people watching right now. Hitting that like button. That's all it takes. Just hit the like button. It helps us grow when the video goes inevitably static. There's more SEO weight. So therefore, the algos on YouTube push this video up, the static video up. When people search for crypto videos, this will show up, and people will. It will be easier for people to find us. Okay, and that's all it takes is just you hitting like. All right, Julia. Always good seeing you. Drew, Patreon. Yeah, Patreon's just it's where you support me and the team that's got my back, right, that helps run the show behind the scenes, right? So we just do trade setups, education videos, and there's a little bit of an exclusive Patreon chat in the Discord, okay? But at the end of the day, you're getting value out of it, but you're saying, hey, Ray, I want you to keep showing up multiple times a day, 7 days a week, and stream and do coin requests for free, do stock requests for free, and currency requests for free, all right? And just be here because we like you, okay? I am a source of entertainment for you and education and value, whatever the aspect is that I bring into your life. That's why you join the Patreon. At the end of the day, that's what Patreon was built for, the content creator. Because tips come and go, all right? Yeah, I think so, Black Monkey Anvils. I think I am, man. All right. Sprocket, it was, man. It was a legendary night. I don't know. Today's stream was legendary, dude. Good God. It was so fun, too. Thanks, Emmy. Okay. Man, alright, we're gonna go to Bitcoin again, alright? Oh. XRP minus 35% in the last hour. That's why FOMOing's so right? Okay, there's Bitcoin. For the moment, overhead resistance. Oh my god, we can't do it, man. We just can't break it. You know, a lot of time left, 3 hours and 29 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. You like me more than you like turtles. Exposed man. Thanks, dude. You want me to say XRP is mega sexual? It was mega sexual, was it not? Good God, man. Little did we know, right? Oh, we're just doing a trade setup. It's no big deal, man. It's just a trade setup. And then beautiful hits target, and it's like, okay, we're just gonna do a second trade setup on Ripple. Oh my God, right? It's just wonderful, dude. This has been such a September 20th, 2018. What a wonderful day. Awesome. All right, ladies and gentlemen, again, hour and 30 minutes I've been live. I am on fumes right now, and please understand that I left it all out on the field today in the 4-hour marathon stream, giving very strong coverage of the Ripple Moon show. Okay, and I think it would be appropriate to end this show with Ripple on the screen. All right. And there you go, bearish engulfing candle forming at the moment on the 4-hour, but that's okay. Still outside of the pattern. And again, we just started 30 minutes ago. All right, so broke out. You're up like you've doubled in value in a 3-day period, or over doubled, whatever it is. Okay, just wonderful. But this is it, as you can see, very significant. I mean, we're just the largest levels of strength we've seen since the Great FOMO of 2017. So gotta be very happy about this movement. All right. Thanks, Jalen, man. Appreciate it, dude. Am I going to T-Town for the game? Nah, Hunter. I don't know. Nah. You know, I normally like stream on the weekends, so like, you know. What about you? You going, man? And will we cover the spread? Remember, what was that spread? I can't remember. $27 points. Teaser pleaser. Interesting. Did anyone ask for XRP yet, Greg? Nah, man. Nah, dude. And we're not going to cover it ever. We're never going to look at XRP. There's nothing you can do about it. Get wrecked. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the 239 of you are here. I have the utmost respect for all of you. Very grateful for each and every one of you. As long as y'all keep coming back, I'm going to keep coming back every day, like I've been doing for the past 7 months now. So I'll be back tomorrow, 5 Eastern. Keep your eye on Ripple. See if we can hold above this huge breakout. Big deal. Till tomorrow, respect the TA.
For you tonight, I'd like to introduce
Let's hear it for the great Mr. Hunt.
And now for a lesson in rhythm management. Let's begin. All right now, wasn't that fun? Let's try something else.